Good morning, everyone. Today's Thursday, March 3rd. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar, and starting the day, we're looking at the economic calendar, and there is going to be one item that might have market moving potential, and that's at 10 a.m. where the Fed Chairman Jerome Powell will testify before the Senate committee. Now, Chairman Powell testified before the House committee yesterday, and he's not going to be saying anything that wasn't said yesterday, or is he? He's going to be questioned, and of course the big thing is interest rates. Moving over to the morning news, futures are in the green. Don't let that fool you, because they are basically flat. Dow up 6 now 76, S&P up 8. The big news, of course, and it's really not news, shouldn't be surprising, oil is trading up over $114, and with the potential to go higher. Now, remember, Russia, the country that has brought this war upon the world, and really upon itself, has two weapons. One, of course, is nuclear weapons, but the other, more realistically, is energy. And Russia oil and gas is a tremendous weapon that it's using to wage this war. Now, Russia, in bringing this war, has gotten worldwide condemnation and feedback, with sanctions coming from every place. Even Switzerland is sanctioning Russian money and preventing Russians from withdrawing funds from their secret Swiss bank accounts. So let's move over to the E-mini. This is the E-mini chart of yesterday, showing my trading zone at 42.93 for support, resistance up at 43.90. There was a potential gap trade from the close on Tuesday at 43.03. which the market teased at briefly just after 10 a.m., but never really got down to that gap. But how do you trade a market where there's so much uncertainty? If the Federal Reserve Chairman doesn't know where the market, where the economy is going, well, actually, I should say the economy, because nobody knows where the market is going, even if they say they know where the market is going. If the Fed chairman doesn't know where the economy is going, and the market, of course, chases the economy, then nobody does either. So there are a couple of ways to play a market like this. First of all, of course, you could sit it out. Nothing wrong with sitting it out. You don't trade, you can't take a loss, you can't lose money. Or you can take your chances based on knowledge, experience, and you can always use Mr. Spock trade, which is, I'll take the very best guess I can. That could work. But at any rate, whatever you do and whichever way you trade, timing is everything. Timing, after all of your considerations have been weighed, after you've looked at the support, the resistance, the trading zone, the previous day's close, the gap, the big moves, the pure moves, after all is said and done, timing is everything. And timing will determine whether your trade is successful or not. So timing plus the other things that I mentioned, and you just might be a profitable, successful trader. At any rate, this is Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar. Trade safely, very safely. Use a lot of patience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.